Is it the right time to make a move on Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. We previously released a report on our website on Thursday, January 11, 2024, and now we're back to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any essential updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of November 1, 2023, our system has identified Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate with a score of 3.28. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have seen an impressive gain of 37% since we first listed Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 49 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.76% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong and steady upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further rise. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 51.85% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 40.30% to 54.82%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted 48.81% change over the next year, resulting in a potential return of 4.43% to 50.45%. This corresponds to a price range of $154.58 to $222.70 after 1 year. Our latest update on Advanced Micro Devices brings us the headline, Red Day on Thursday for Advanced Micro Devices. On Thursday, January 11, 2024, the stock price of Advanced Micro Devices experienced a decline of 0.35%, dropping from $148.54 to $148.02. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 4.66%, ranging from a low of $143.69 to a high of $150.38. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a 1.33% gain, although the price has been fluctuating. The volume of shares traded increased by 6 million on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 62 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $9.23 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $151.05, while the lowest was $67.18. Currently, the price is 2.01% or $3.03 below the 52-week high. Moreover, it is 10% or $16.44 below the all-time high, which was reached on November 30, 2021, with a price of $164.46. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for AMD. On Monday, January 8, 2024, Wedbush gave AMD a buy rating with a hold action. Similarly, UBS gave AMD an underperform rating with a hold action on the same day. Moving on to December 7, 2023, KeyBank rated AMD as overweight with a hold action. Raymond James, on the same day, gave AMD a strong buy rating with a hold action. Lastly, Rosenblatt Securities also rated AMD as a buy with a hold action on December 7, 2023. Analysts have given Advanced Micro Devices stock a general rating of buy. They consider the PE ratio to be a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as neutral. Today, we'll be looking at the signals for Advanced Micro Devices. Let's start with the current state of the stock. It's showing mixed signals. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, causing a decline of -0.83%. The stock is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Another point to note is the sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Yesterday, the volume rose as the prices fell. This could be an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored closely. On the positive side, the Advanced Micro Devices stock has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general buy signal when comparing the short-term average to the long-term average. In case of corrections down, the stock is expected to find support at $143.13 and $134.10. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will trigger sell signals. Here are some other signals that could be of interest to you. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a sell signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 50 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 47 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, we can see the short moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 48 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 38 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop-loss for advanced micro devices. Let's discuss the support levels for advanced micro devices stock. The current support levels are at $138.58 and $137.61. These levels indicate where the stock has previously found significant buying interest. However, it's important to be aware that if the stock breaks below the current support level, there is a possibility of it falling further to the next support level at $128.37. Now, let's talk about the risk involved in trading advanced micro devices stock. When a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk because if that support level is broken, the stock may experience further downward movement. Considering the average movements during the day and the trading volume, the risk for advanced micro devices stock is considered to be medium. Looking at the stock's recent volatility, we can see that in the last day, it had a price range of $6.69, which is equivalent to a 4.66% difference between the high and low. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.82%. Before we explore potential trading levels for advanced micro devices, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. The notably high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $0.770. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can greatly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $148.54. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock is experiencing a downward movement, advanced micro devices encounters its first support level at $138.58. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the possibility of a rebound. The consensus rating for advanced micro devices, according to multiple analyst sources, is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 7, 2023, Smith Darla M. sold 4,000 shares of common stock. On December 5, 2023, Sue Lisa T. bought 75,000 shares of common stock. On December 5, 2023, Sue Lisa T. sold 24,175 shares of common stock. On December 5, 2023, Sue Lisa T. sold 50,825 shares of common stock. On December 5, 2023, Sue Lisa T. sold 75,000 shares of stock option grant. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power ratio to be negative at -1.816. Overall, insiders have purchased 1,493,840 shares and sold 1,512,070 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop-loss for this stock is set at $143.58, which represents a decrease of 3%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal was identified from a pivot top that occurred 2 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it seems that Advanced Micro Devices stock may present a buying opportunity in the near future. However, our analysis shows that the current price is overvalued, considering the volatility and movements of the last trading day. For trading on Friday, January 12, we anticipate Advanced Micro Devices to open down by $0.657, starting at $147.36. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome to our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.